First, we get into the course. When you log into your HBU portal, and you will find your course. The main tab is on the left column. So first, we can see this main content, and there are going to be several tabs underneath. And the first is called Start Here. So we go to Start Here. As required, you will post a welcome video right here, and some other resources posted by the course developer. Right after Start Here, you will see announcements. So announcement, when you wanted to make an announcement, you can click on Create Announcement tab. Okay, for example, we have in one announcement. So you can make an announcement and then say hello, whatever you wanted to tag, and then you go all the way down here. So this will give you option when you're gonna make that announcement available. You click on date restriction. You can select what date that announcement be available. Typically, you can make that announcement right before Monday. So our weekly assignment and materials will be posted every Monday and on Sunday. So you can make like Sunday, okay, and Sunday midnight. So and then you click on submit. So you create announcement. Okay. But if you need help with those announcements, so I have a template. So that's all the announcements I made every week. So we have weekly announcement. Before the courses start, I suggest that you make a welcome announcement to welcome all the students to come to the class. And you have a course schedule announcement to let all the students know when the course start and when the course end, and what is your schedule for each week. And this is week 1 announcement. So what the students gonna to study during that week, which chapter is covered. And we also, you have announcement as what are the assignments. Okay, so we have weekly announcement for 8 weeks. And next we have course content. So those are the main areas students supposed to visit every week. So you can see the announcement. You have the first part is called course syllabus and a course schedule. And then there's week 1. When you click on week 1, okay, you have 2 folders. And the first one is called reading and study. Okay, this the chapter the student we need to read textbook, chapter 1 and 2. And also you have the PowerPoint slides, flashcard, and video clips, presentations. So all the materials are in that reading and study folder. And then you can go back and to click on the learning activity or our assessments folder. Okay, those are the assignment students need to do every week. For example, you have a course attendance review, so student gonna click on that. It's like a similar like a quiz. Students is going to click on begin, and they will complete the quiz. The result will be automatically graded by the system. And you have introduction. Student will introduce themselves. You go to the introduction folder. You can see student can create a thread. When they create a thread, they create like any introduction, and then they can introduce yourself, and you click on submit. Okay. So, and also the students have discussion board forum. They have a topic. Student will post their initial discussion by week 1, and they replies to others on Sunday. So the topic student will post the initial thread, answer the questions mentioned in the topic, and also will replies to other students. And also you have groups. Also you have groups, and we have students will post in their different groups. Next, we talk about what we need to do is about your professor. So this area, so you need to update those contact information. So typically you can see scroll down here about your professor. So before the course start, 2 things we typically do is, one is to post information about your instructor. Okay, you can click on edit. So you can put all your title, phone number, office location, and a brief introduction about yourself. And then you make sure that profile is available. Choose yes. Or you wanted to add a image. Okay. Another thing I just mentioned is that in the announcement area, so make sure to have a welcome announcement. Okay, so after the students finish all this assignment and weekly homework, you can do is that what the faculty need to do is click on, this is called Grade Center. So click on Grade Center. And then you have something is called Needs Grading. So you click on that. That's all items that you need to grade. Or you click on the full grade enter. Okay, go to the full grade center. And you will see you have all those items you need to grade. Typically, all those assignments are due by Sunday midnight, and you can start grading next Monday. Usually, you have 5 days to grade. So for introduction, you just click on this little down arrow button and then to grade each student's post. For example, this one, you click on down arrow button, and then you see grade user activity. When you click on that, you can see the students post, and you read, and then you can provide feedback to the learners, or you use the discussion board grading rubric. Okay, those are the rubric. So you can click on show description. Okay, so it's like what is that items talking about, and following that grading rubric. So you give their points, and then you click on save rubric. So the student will get a grade for that. So the grade will post it right here. Or you can also add some comments right here. So this is your comments. And you click on submit. So you will submit the student's grade and your comments. You go to full grade center. Let's see the quiz. Okay, you click on that quiz for that students. Okay, down arrow button. So you can see the students have several attempts. So this quiz allows students to do multiple attempts. So you can see each attempt. So when you click on attempt, you will see the student's question and which what is the question, how the students got it wrong, and okay, for those questions. So you can check each questions and see how the student got it wrong, and you provide feedback to the students. Okay, if you finish grading, you check on save and exit. So where are those questions? Well, the questions is here. You have is a course tools. You have a course tools, and you select test, survey, and polls. And you can see all the tests and the polls. And those are the questions. Okay, those you can click on edit. Okay, chapter 1. Okay, those are all the questions. You can see all those questions. Basically, all those questions come from the publisher's test bank. So you don't have to do anything with the test. But if you develop this course and you might need the test bank. Okay, I think that's all the questions you have asked. And I give you just a tour, and in case you have any other questions, and please let me know.